I'm calling it That's Shallotta Pasta. This is about 10 to 12 chopped shallots. We have butter, really good olive oil, and you cook it over low heat. And what you want to do is, you don't want them seared and like burnt. You want them just cooked down till they're nice and sweet and brown and just delicious.
You want to put some garlic in?
Well, there's always room for garlic when you cook. So that's going to take a while to cook down. In the interim,
salt and pepper?
Yeah, let's put salt and pepper.
Okay.
What we're also going to do now is toast. These are walnuts.
Italian walnuts?
Italian chopped walnuts. You can use hazelnuts too.
Hazelnuts or almonds would be good too, right? Any
that's going to be. We're going to finish the dish with that. In the interim, we're going to toast them.
This is the color he was talking about, light caramel in color, so they're sugary sweet with a little garlic, olive oil, butter, salt, pepper. Now take it to the next level there, sir.
Well, we're going to add some brandy, and hopefully we're going to set this kitchen.
Take it off the flame, please.
Oh,
so
I know. I get excited.
Flame the bottle.
But I want to set the kitchen on fire right here.
You want to tip the pan into the fire?
There we go.
Okay, there you go.
That's fun to do that.
Okay, and now you can also just add brandy off the stove, put it back on, and the brandy will reduce, and you don't need a flame, or you could use one of the little flame lighters. I do not want to hear it if you burn down your kitchen tonight.
Yes, do not follow my instructions. I'm a bad man. Here's, we're adding some cream now. And now I'm gonna add the citrus component to sort of...
thyme?
Yes, please add some. This is just fresh chopped thyme. And this is lemon zest.
It's beautiful, babe. Look at that. Oh my God, it's like creamy French onion soup.
It is. Okay, so we've drained the pasta. I'm putting it back in the pot.
Delightful.
I'm adding our shallotta sauce.
I know, right? It makes you giggle. So dumb.
And now I am, of course, adding the pasta water.
You want your cheeses, honey?
Cheeses, please.
Oh! Keep it in the pot!
It's okay, we're not at home.
I'm not cleaning that.
Yes, both cheeses, because the more cheese, the better.
Pecorino and Parm.
Because I can never make up my mind, so just use them both. Yeah, I think I want to stir the parsley around.
Honey, just dump the pot into the thing.
Oh, look at that.
And then the walnuts?
Walnuts.
Oh, nuts.